Sometimes you just need to get a grip on things. What am I talking about? Well, stick with me and I'll explain. Welcome to this episode of Design Talk by DIY3DTech.com. This episode, I want to share this new model with you I came up with. I'll have it out on Thingiverse too. This is a clamping mechanism that I came up with to be able to mount cameras to various different things, or you could use it for whatever. So kind of long story short, it's got a mouth, and what I did is I designed in a square peg that slides into the opening so you can see it slide back and forth. So that keeps it square. It keeps this from really turning much more than whatever slop is in here. And then what I do is I use a 1/4 bolt with a wing nut in here to tighten it down. So now what I'm tightening it on is rather thick, and so again I've used a shouldered 1/4, but if you want to use a full thread, that's okay. And again, you can open it up quite large and get it quite small. Now what I've also have done is modeled in Fusion 360 a couple 1/4s in here too. So these are threaded openings, so you can put a 1/4 bolt, so you could use a stud in here to mount a tripod head or whatever. So very unique design. Now I printed these as solids. This thing is really heavy. This is one solid piece of plastic. One of the things that I used is my making strong parts technique. So this is completely bottoms and tops. So it's one complete solid print. Now it does make it a little bit on a cleanup because you will need, because this is square, you will need some supports in here. So cleanup's a little bit of work, but not bad. Works pretty well. So I thought this was handy. One of the things I'm thinking about in the future doing is coming up with some TPU gloves or bumpers or whatever to go on here, whatever you'd call that, so it's less marring. But anyways, I thought I'd share this design with you, how I whipped this up real quick in Fusion 360, and it's actually been pretty useful. So again, I'll have this out on Thingiverse and probably my mini factory if you're interested. So go over there and check it out. With that, Swag Shop's up in the corner. Subscribe is going to be over there. And we'll catch you in the next video. And if you got some comments or other ideas for something like this, hit me up in the comments below. We'll see you guys later. Cheers.
Please click like below and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date on all